Okay, so here's an update on the pepper plants that I started. If you're following along on my videos, I showed you how I started these seeds separately, made sure they germinated, and then transferred them into these cups. And this is about a week later, and these seeds are starting to just pop out of the soil. You can see that one there, and another one there. And just wanted to give you a tip on what I do at this point. I make sure that they are under the lights when they start to emerge from the soil, and I actually leave the lights on for about 24 to 48 hours straight. It's important to have that light for these seeds coming out so they don't get leggy, and I can adjust these lights and raise them up and down. And these are LED lights, so they do not get warm, so there's no chance of, overheating the plants as they come up. So keep following along for more tips, and I will show you, different tips, how I treat these seedlings, how I water them, how I adjust the lights, what kind of lights these are, and where you can buy these lights. They're not expensive. So keep following along for more tips on how I start my seeds. Thanks.